Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Godrej 99L Direct Cool Single Door 1-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 99 liters, high efficiency compressor, performance 1 star, defrosting type direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator, user manual, warranty card. Type single door, refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator, defrosting type direct cool, number of doors 1, warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 9,249 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dream View channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.